What's going on, people? Back at it again with another awesome video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your Terrarium TV back. Yes, it is back. If you don't know already, now you're going to know. It is Terrarium TV 1.9.10 patched version. The patch version works for a year, and you'll have ad-free, okay? And also, it works. So, first thing you're going to do for your Fire Stick is, if you don't have it already set, we're going to do it for you, okay? You go into Device, you go into Developers Options, just make sure those suckers are on. You got those on, you're good to go, all right? If you don't have File Link, I have the video link down below of how to do it and how to get it. And then once you get it, it has my code in it, so you have all the APKs that are working on my shareable server, so you can download it straight to your device easy. Okay, so before we continue, all right, we're gonna go right in to File Link. Okay, if you don't have it, get it. The link is down below. Okay, once you get it, you're gonna open it. You're gonna put this code in: 64539-676. Okay, once you enter that in, you're gonna continue. All right. Now, there's two things. You're going to download the Terrarium TV patched version and Yes Player. Okay? So, you're going to come down to, let me see here. You're going to go down to Terrarium TV. I have these suckers in alphabetical order. There you go. Dismiss that. Terrarium TV 1.9.10 patch. It lasts for a year and it's ad-free. You're going to click that download. Okay? Then you're going to also click your Yes Player, the ad-free version, okay? Go and download that. And the reason why I say that is because you have to delete your original Terrarium, okay? And if you don't have a Yes Player, sometimes it will not work, the player. And if you try to download the Yes Player through the patch version, it's not going to download it. It's just to save yourself a headache, just download it off it right here, and it's simple. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is going to hit the play button. There you go. You're going to install it. Give it a second. Depending on your internet speed, some work faster than others. So give it a second. As you've seen, it's finished. Don't open it yet. Hit done, because remember, you have to download and install the Yes Player. Okay? And if you already have a Yes Player, just open your Terrarium and have fun. But if you don't have the Yes Player and you want the ad version, get it from me right here and you'll get the ad version free. Basically, you have no ads in the new Terrarium. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm sorry. It's a pet peeve for some guys out, or some people out there. I apologize for pronouncing it wrong. But let this download. Once it's done, you can open it up. There we go. It's done. I meant to say don't open up, just close it. Hit the house button on your remote. You're like, where is it at? Not a problem. Scroll the way over here. Open it. Go down here. Hit the option button on your remote, which is the three little lines to the right of the house button or home button. Hit move to the front. That's it. Simple. Okay? And then just open it up. Now, I'm going to show you how it works so you guys believe me and you say, hey, you're BSing, it's not working. I'm going to show you real quick it works. All right? Give me a second. There you go. Hit OK. Back out of that. Hit accept. All right. Notice, no ads whatsoever. Okay? It has pretty much everything here. So let's go into movies. Okay? Let's go into a movie just to show you it works. Now, see how here it says no data? That is not cool. Okay? Which I'm happy it actually showed you, because the patch version most likely, let me go back into here, has little glitches, okay? Which is, it's going to happen with a patch version, okay? So that being said, we're going to go into just movies. Let's go into this one here, Skyscraper. Click into it. You're going to hit OK. You're going to back out of that. As you already know, just going to hit play. Okay. Hit OK for that. Switch that out. Give it a second. It's going to load up your files or your links. Okay. It loaded up some links. One thing I did notice with the patch version, it is a little bit slower finding files, okay, or links. But once you find your links, you got it here, you can hit right there, hit play, give it a second, it should bring up or start it up. It's gonna buffer, you know what I mean, because it's, like I said, you know what I mean, we all know how Terrarium was. All right, there you go. Let me fast forward this a little. As you see, it works. All right, back out of it. Now, explore it. It's going to be a little glitchy. You know what I mean? It's a patch version. Just rolled out today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hey, I'm happy it's back. Me and my wife, we could finally watch on a dependable APK. All right, hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, and share this video. And have a great afternoon.
Yeah.